Oh my God, what a day. What an amazing day for your accuracy, ladies and gentlemen. Order flow on full display, January 10th. Cracker of a day for us. Buying the dip, absolutely nailing the low a day here. Called it on Sunday. Um, Incredible. 58.59, man. Target 58.98 today. All laid out before the bell. And I'm just showing you a little snippet here of my Sunday weekly plan that I sent out to the team. We'll get into a couple of other stuff like weekly or my daily plan here that reiterated this level. Anyways, if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe on the channel. If you like what I'm doing, I'll keep doing these videos. If you want to come learn, which I highly suggest you do, links in the description. Come join the team here. We're very small, very active, and extremely accurate. As you can see, we call the top and bottom each day, 12 hours before it even trades. Insanely accurate levels. Come learn market context, order flow, and how to visualize the market. You can do this on anything you want. Small caps, big caps, futures, gold, oil, commodities, treasury notes, ZBs, yen, doesn't matter. Small caps, you trade that shit. Anyways, let's get into it. It's Friday. I won't keep you long here. Amazing day. I'm just going to go over it very briefly here, show you how the levels trade, and show you how accurate the day went. So this was on Sunday. All last week has been sell the rally tape, but dips were bought exactly where we thought they would be. We cleaned out some longs and now have cleaned some out above shorts, cleansing above 6015. This was sent on Sunday. So we lost 6015. This is what triggered the downside to 58.59. So look at what I said here. I'll turn more bearish this week, show daily closes except under 59.37. Where was the daily pivot here the last like 3 sessions? 59.37. Where'd we go? Which does put 58.59 at risk for a route to 57.81. Where'd we hold today? 58.59. Amazing. Amazing. Sorry if you can hear my kids in the background. They're just having fun. The kids are going crazy. This was after the session traded. So we don't trade the first hour of the day. We use it for information gathering. So it's very clear what was about to happen. Great session. Traded right to 58.59 in the first hour, where tremendous buying came in. Absolutely. I laid out 58.59 before the bells, a sell target beneath 59.18. Absolutely. Bang on. Target met. Line in the sand for bears is now 58.90 to 92. Okay, I'll go over on the chart here real quick why we saw that after the sell candle. I knew it before it even traded back up to it. Line in sand for bears 58.90 as all sellers sub 70 got ran, as I also warned live on the mic. Yes, I did. Check today's live stream. I was actually talking about it. It's up on YouTube. I looked along any retest of 58.59 if order flow is positive. Target overall 58.59 is 58.98. Where we go? 58.59 to 58.98. 40-point bounce. Boom, boom. We looked over 58.98 and sold off. Where did we sell off to? 58.59. Line in sand to be watched very closely. We should expect supply as soon as 88 trades. Yep, as soon as 88 traded, we see the offer. Okay, we're going to start selling here. 88, 90, 92, right? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful day. What else happened? We reclaimed 98, gets ugly for shorts. Could see 18. We looked above 98. Obviously fell off. And then this was a really interesting sequence right here, which I'll talk about a little bit on the chart, but I just want to kind of highlight it here. So right here, what the bears are doing is trying to position to take out 59. So there's something that happened today that I see all the time when the shorts are getting ready to make a move, right? Or the bid, if we're going to squeeze up. So what happens is we get this push down, and then a very heavy supply comes in on the order flow, like really, really heavy. I mean, like 10, 12, 14K print heavy, very, very heavy. And they get down lower and they position themselves for the next period to take a run at breaking a level. Now, it could be structure or it could be one of our levels. Today was 58.59 and IB low, right? 58 IB low was right below 58.59, and a tremendous order flow sequence came in and absolutely perfect market maker squeeze order flow setup for us. Really, really wonderful. Whole kind of 2 hours of order flow just was beautiful. But you can see how accurate this was, right? Stupid heavy short at 65. Absolutely. This is where they really got positioned to take out 59. And then they threw everything they had at IB low. And I mean everything they had at IB low. And we turned that into a rocket candle. And that's why the very next session at 58.59 just took off, man. It was absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's get into the charts. I won't hold you. This video is going to be kind of short, but I just wanted to run over the main levels. 58.59, 58.98. That's what we traded here today. We wanted to be long with a 40-point target. As you can see, this was laid out way before this even happened, right? 58.59 was laid out last Sunday. Let's look at the chart. Let me shrink myself down a little bit. See my ugly mug. Oh, what's going on here? See my desktop. What the hell is going on? Okay, here we go. So what do? We open and we just sell right off. Okay, there was no business being done at our 59.18. Okay, so 59.18 is kind of like right here. We had our level right there. We opened and we just sold off. Okay, sold off, and then at the close of this session, this is where I said, line in the sand now for the bears is right at 92. Okay, why in the close of that? Because I can tell when an lower offer gets put in on the order flow where that resistance is going to be, right? And so we open this, sell all the way down to where? 58.59. Tremendous buying came in and absorbed all the inventory. Everybody got short here under 70. So a lot of people chased this move down and got really short under 70 for whatever reason. I don't know why. But as soon as we came in here, we had ridiculous buying right off my level. And where does it run to? 59.92, right? I know that just from the prints. Okay, I can tell even before it pulls back and trades where the resistance is going to be. This is our target long, 58.98, but I know we're going to see supply as soon as we get into 92. And earlier at like 88, and totally correct. We trade up to 92, pretty much the top tick, rotated all the way down. And this is where it got interesting here at 11. And this is what I want to kind of talk about. This is what I teach in the room. But I'll give you a quick overview. When we drop right here, we see very heavy prints. They are getting ready to take out 58.59. This is the shorts kind of like revving up, getting their fills. A big seller, they're all coming down. They're going to try to assault 58.59 to get that drop to start trading down towards 57.81. So they get really busy right here. And I was like, this is what all those notes were in the room. I said, guys, get ready. They're getting ready to try to take this out. So we trade. They get positioned. The very next session pops up right to the top of the offer, right to 70. We know that there's going to be a stop run over 70. Sellers are in control from 70 because of the volume. We trade right to the top of the offer, and we close beneath 58.59. Now, this was the telltale sign that bears were about to get screwed. What is it? All you guys shorting initial balance, IB low. So it goes like this. All you guys are like short, sell 50, short. Okay. And what happened here? All you guys got bought up very aggressively. Like, I mean, very aggressively. You guys pounded everything you had on the short side into here. And once we close this back above, this is what triggered everything. We close back above 58.59. And you'd be like, oh, well, how do you notice that? Look what happened as soon as we closed over the level. We pulled back, tapped the level, and took off. This is what triggered the long. Was this absorption of you guys? Obviously, you guys stop out, force it back above the level. But we just closed like a point above the level. And the second we pulled back to 58.59, we were off, right? It was just a ridiculously easy long for us. And target where? 58.59. Look at the top. This isn't hindsight. Okay? This isn't hindsight. This isn't 5,900, blah, blah, blah. No, it's 58.98. This isn't hindsight. 1-2 sessions go by, and we get right to target and a beautiful short covering set of short covering sessions. Why was this session really important? I just went over this with an hour and a half meeting with my team. Sorry, my voice is really tired. I'm going to end this video quick because they put the bid above the offer. Right? This is classic market maker squeeze order flow. This is how they set it up. This whole sequence right here took like 2 hours to set up, but we see this. We've seen this hundreds of times. This is how I know, because the market has to transact, and they're going to transact it in a certain way. Unless you understand the patterns of the order flow and how they actually set this up, you'll never be able to see it. You got to study it. You got to study it, right? And then, yeah, we took off, came back, hit the bid, and right up there to 58.98 target. As you can see, that's the trade we laid out, 58.59 to 58.98. Sorry, it's been a long day. Look above, they pull the bid. There's no more inventory left to buy up here into 08. We sell down, sell down, sell down. So what did we sell down to? 58.59. This isn't after the fact, right? This level was laid out on Sunday. They jumped in front of it last week into 80. I knew 58.59 would trade. I got kind of pissed off about it. Like in my last week's video, I talked about it. I'm like, 58.59 has to trade. They jumped in front of it at 80. I was like, just let it trade. This week we got it, and we were rewarded handsomely for having the patience to let it trade. So, yeah, fantastic day of accuracy. Awesome day. 40-point long, beautiful. Didn't even look at the NQ here today. ES is my chosen instrument. I love the ES. It's so clean, man. I don't know why everybody wants to spend all their time in the NQ, but I don't know. Maybe they don't know the ES pays twice as much more. I don't know. But as you can see, today was a beautiful day of order flow. It was just like everything that we thought would happen happened. So super happy with today's accuracy. I'm going to call it here. Just a beautiful day. Hope you guys had a good day. Call it here. Like I said, if you want to come see what we're up to, links in the description. Come and hang out with us and come and learn. Tons and tons and tons of order flow videos here in the library. I'm live with my team all day long. I do daily market recaps. They're about an hour long. Do them every day. And yeah, super active. They're all uploaded to the website. And, yeah, I love it. Awesome day. This order flow is beautiful. The whole day was amazing. Other than that, I'm going to catch you here. I'm going to go hang out with my kids, go for a run, and get off these screens here. So hope you guys had a great week. And looking forward to next week. It's going to be awesome. See you guys later. I'm out of here.